welcome back. It's Bianca teaching you how to have a happy period, a pain-free period, which is very important, and just to live happily and healthily in your body. That's what I'm here to help you do. And today we're going to be talking about castor oil packs for period pain relief. But I mean, for more than that. So castor oil packs predate any medicine that you've seen a commercial for on TLC. They predate anything you've seen on the shelves at your local Shoppers Drug Mart or Dwayne Reed or wherever you shop. It's an ancient practice that has roots in Ayurveda, has roots in TCM. I mean, it's old. And it works. It's been working for years. And as we sort of careen toward a more spiritual and centered life that honors our bodies instead of fights for it and fights it, you will notice castor oil packs are perfect in that way. And so castor oil packs help me heal my whole body eczema flare up because it helped me resolve my gut dysregulation. It helped me to heal my liver and that detox pathway. And the results have been amazing. It's also helped my digestion in ways that, I might gross you up with some TMI, but castor oil packs are amazing and I love mine. And I want to tell you why you should be doing castor oil packs as well if you are experiencing period pain. So castor oil packs are a topical treatment, not an internal treatment, which I think makes it more approachable for some people because there's some things that you just don't want to be taking orally. You might be taking something else and you just want to keep it neutral. A castor oil pack is topical, not internal, which I think is amazing. Now, the chemical structures of ricinoleic acid, which is the main acid in castor oil, is similar to prostaglandin. So that helps to reduce pain and reduce inflammation. And so when you think about the inflammation that comes with, your uterus cramping and a lot of activity going on down there, putting a castor oil pack right over top of your uterus is going to help deliver prostaglandins, those pain relievers, those anti-inflammatory components right to the area that it needs. And therefore, you're going to start to impact positively how you're feeling in that part of your body as you cycle through your period. And that's just not for period pain. If you experience middle smirch pain, which is not a bad thing, but it's just feeling when your body ovulates, it can be kind of uncomfortable. This can also help with that too. And so I love castor oil packs for that reason, in that when I have my period, I don't get period pain, but I still just put it there because that is just a good thing for that area. There is natural inflammation that comes from your uterus cramping and your uterus contracting and expanding to get everything out. And so, delivering some juicy prostaglandin effects to that area, whether I'm experiencing pain or not, is just something that I like to do. So castor oil is great if you struggle with elimination, meaning you don't poo very well, because castor oil helps with smooth muscle contraction. So your bowels are a smooth muscle and they need to move and contract in order for you to have good bowel movements. Now this is important because excess estrogen, excess hormones come out through our waste products, and that's poo. And so if you aren't going every day, every second day, not ideal, but every day at least, or every second day at the very least, then all of those excess toxic substances are recycling through your body. Recycling into your body as opposed to being removed as they are supposed to be. And so putting castor oil packs on your stomach, on your liver, on your detox pathways. I sleep with mine at night and it's on my left side, on my liver. And every morning I wake up and I have a really great bowel movement. And I know that there's a ton of shit in there that I don't want and that my body doesn't want. And I'm so happy it's not in me anymore. And so if you are experiencing period pain, it is likely because you are potentially not eliminating effectively. You're not getting it all out. You're not having, good quality bowel movements. And castor oil can help you with that considerably. I mean, people ingest castor oil, that'll get you moving. But if you want to be a little bit more gentler with it, a castor oil pack topically can really, really help with helping you get better elimination day to day. But if you are pregnant, if you think you're pregnant, do not use a castor oil pack because that smooth muscle contraction can also start labor. And unless you want that baby here right now, no castor oil for you. So glutathione is one of the most important detox, is that a hormone or it's something that the body creates that helps us pull and eliminate almost all toxic substance from our body, like heavy metals and medications and alcohol and all of those things. Glutathione just pulls it right out of our body and gets rid of it through our waste. And so if you put a castor oil pack right on your liver, which is on the side of your body, and you put your castor oil pack there and you sleep with it, what that does is that encourages glutathione production. And so what this is going to do is it's going to clear those detox pathways to make sure that all of those toxic heavy chemicals or anything that's in your body is able to be effectively removed because your liver is functioning properly. And so it's so important because most menstruating people, myself included, when I was dealing with all my problems, we struggle with digestion and we struggle with detoxification. And that is stomach, liver, all of that. And so putting a castor oil pack on that part of your body, I did castor oil packs like every day for 3 months in order to get the benefits. I mean, I still do them like almost every day, but I'm not as I have to get it done. But when I don't do it, I notice, like if I sleep without a castor oil pack and then I wake up the next day, I don't look as vibrant in the morning. I just don't, because it really is helping the body to remove anything that is impeding vitality and abundant fertility and all the things that I'm questing for. And then I believe I have, but I believe I have it because of castor oil. And so I'm going to show you how to put together a castor oil pack. Okay, so to prepare a castor oil pack, you need a castor oil pack. So this is what my castor oil pack looks like. And so mine McGrath, because I use this every day, but it's just like a pack. It's like I wouldn't even know what to call it. It's like a sheet. So this is an absorbent side, and it takes in the oil and holds the oil so it can hold it against your skin without absorbing it. And then this side is like a smooth side, so the oil can't penetrate this side. That's why this is important, because you can do a castor oil pack with anything but the mess. This is what prevents the mess. And so all you do, and then you tie it onto yourself. And so all you do is you take castor oil, and this castor oil is from St. Francis Herb Farm. I mean, there's so many different great castor oils you can get. There's a few important things to remember. First one is you want it to be in glass. If it's in plastic, that plastic is leaching into your castor oil, and then you're going to put it on your body, on your detox pathways. Me tinks not. So you want to get it in glass. You also want the glass to be dark so that, no light is going to denature this oil. It's pretty shelf stable, but I mean, help it out a bit. And so this is also USDA organic. Anything that is going on your body for the purpose of detox and for the purpose of removing anything harsh shouldn't have anything harsh in it, wouldn't you say? So all you do is you take, some people actually measure it. I don't, I'm not precious like that. And then you just pour it in the middle. Sometimes I'm a bit heavy-handed, but again, because there's that protective other side, it's not going to seep through and like ruin your sheets or anything. And then what you do is, I'm just going to take this down and show you. So this is the side that you want to detox. So I'm putting it there. So I'm getting all my liver and all that stuff, and then you just tie it up on the side, just like this. It's really easy. This is like all I'm going to be showing you how to do. And then tie it again. And you can do this in the night, you can do it in the day. Obviously I'm showing you this in the daytime, so I'm just going to be putting this on for a couple of hours. And then you just, let me show you. It's just like so. And it's just on your body, and you're getting the casserole delivered right where you want it to be. So if you were on your period and you wanted to help with your cramps, you would put it right here on your uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes and such. When I was resolving some of my thyroid stuff, I would just take this, which would look bananas, but I would take this and just put it on my thyroid, again, to help with the regulation of that organ. And so there's so many ways to use casserole packs that, like in different parts of your body, but the important thing is to do it. They're so, so, so helpful. And it's one of the things that has like a really marked effect on glutathione production, smooth muscle contractions, like I said, helping you poo, but also just helping to reduce the inflammation associated with all of the things that like influence like period pain. And so I highly recommend a casserole pack because it changed my life. And it will change yours, and it's something so easy to do. Like, you don't have to learn how to cook anything. You don't have to do anything. You just put it on. If you want to like supercharge the benefits, you can put this on for a couple of hours, but also while you have it on for a couple of hours, put on a heating pack as well, and that will help really like get it in there. But if you're sleeping with this on, don't do that, the heating pack thing, because I did that one time and I felt like puking. I think it was just a bit too much. So that is how you prepare casserole pack. So in conclusion, I mean, period pain, when you want long lasting cycle over cycle period pain relief, like you just want to have pain-free cycles, that's something that is a cumulative benefit. You can resolve a lot of things by, getting your blood sugar under control. You can also resolve a lot of things by working on inflammation, working on your detox pathways, but all of those things take a little bit of time. But you want to create a friendly body, a period-friendly body, an environment where your body feels comfortable and safe to cycle without pain. And how you do that is you fortify it. And so period pain relief is a cumulative benefit. And like, yeah, sure, you can pop a Midol, an Advil, or any of those things in order to get your period pain to go away right this minute, but you're actually adding to it in the long run, because all of those things that you're taking are adding a toxic load to your liver. And what did I say? You need a clear detox pathway in order, and lots of glutathione, which is impeded when you take those things. You need that. And so if you are doing something like a casserole pack, you're reducing inflammation, you're encouraging smooth muscle contraction, so you're having really good bowel movements, and you're also producing glutathione like a boss, there is, you're giving your body everything it needs to have a really happy, pain-free period. Castor oil, and again, I'm not your doctor, I'm just your friend on the internet helping you out, but castor oil packs have been said to shrink fibroids and to help with endometriosis. So if you're just talking about like regular pain, period pain, because you're have some toxic load and your digestion isn't great, imagine how quickly you can see results of people who have bad endometriosis, who have fibroids, are also seeing benefits. So get thee to a castor oil pack and sleep with one tonight if you can. And I mean, I don't like to make promises, but I promised myself that I was going to do whatever I could to make my period feel good, and that was one of the things that I did. So make that promise to yourself and try a castor oil pack, and I'll see you next time.